Hello children, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 6 of our English grammar. So, chapter number 6 English grammar. Listen, do you remember in UKG class you have studied vowels? Do you remember that? Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. So today we are going to discuss about vowels. So listen, A and an. Look at the picture and read the words. Here, please read this. What is it written here? A girl. A girl. An elephant. A flower. An orange. So read again. A girl, an elephant, a flower, an orange. How many girls are here? How many are here? Here is only one girl. So a girl. How many elephants are here? Here we can see only one elephant. An elephant. How many flowers are here? A flower. A flower. There is only one flower. How many oranges are here? An orange. One orange. So listen. Here A and an tells us there is only one girl, one elephant, one flower and one orange. So this A and an. A and an. Listen. This A and an is used to tell about one person, one thing, one. Okay. So A and. A girl means one girl. An elephant means one elephant. So A and an is used to talk about one person, one animal, one thing or one place. So all of you listen here. An is used before a naming word which begins with A, E, I or U. Okay. Also observe that A is used before ball and flower. A is used before a naming word that begins with the rest of the letters in the English alphabet. For example, a rainbow, a bell, etc. So, what do you mean by that? Listen here. Here we can see. Read this. Look at the examples. A book. What it is written here? A book. A dog. A house. A kite. A pencil. Now you look here. An apple. An eagle. An insect. An owl. An umbrella. So children, a book. A book means how many books? One book. A dog. One dog. A house. One house. A kite. How many kites? Only one kite. A pencil. How many pencils? There is only one pencil. Here, look here. Apple. An apple. An apple means only one apple. An eagle. One eagle. An insect. Only one insect. An owl. One owl. An umbrella. So, only one umbrella. Now, all of you listen here. See, what is the first letter of this word? Book? B. So, what is the first letter of this dog? D. First letter of house? H. First letter of kite, K. First letter of pencil, P. So, can you find any word starting with vowels? That means A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Any words are here starting with these vowels? Starting with A, any word is here? No. E, no. I, no words. O, no. U, no words. That is why we use A here. A book. A book. Understand? But what about here? Which is the first letter? A. This is a vowel. Vowel. So we cannot use A apple. A apple is not correct. Then an eagle. Which is the first letter of eagle? This is E. E. Is it a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Is it a vowel? E. E is a vowel. So, we cannot use A eagle here. Here we can write only an eagle. An eagle. Then look at the next one. An insect. Which is the first letter? I. So, can we use A insect? No. Why? Because A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So, here the first letter is I. So that we can use an. A insect. Is it correct? A insect. Is it correct? No. Why? Because the first letter is a vowel. So we want to add an. Understand? Okay. What about the next one? Owl. So what is the first letter of owl? O. What about O? Is it a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. O is a vowel. So that we want to use an. An owl. So a owl. Is it correct? No. Then look at the next one. An umbrella. An umbrella. What is the first letter of umbrella? U. First letter is U. This is a vowel. So we want to use A or an? Yes, an. Is it correct? A umbrella. Is it correct? No. An umbrella. Why? Because U. U, A, E, I, O and U are vowels. So we want to use an. Okay, clear? Okay children, look at the next picture. Look at the pictures below. Read the words and circle the correct option. One is done for you. So look at the first picture. What is this? Ant. So what is the spelling of ant? A-N-T. Okay. So A and or an and. What is the first letter? Is it a vowel? A. A is a vowel sound. So we want to use an here. A and is not correct. The answer is an and. Okay. So look at the next one. Who is this? This is a parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. What is the first word? First letter? First letter of the word parrot? It is P. Is it a vowel letter? A-E-I-O-U. P. Is it vowel? No. So what is the correct answer? A parrot or an parrot. Which is the correct answer? It is not a vowel word. It is not starting with a vowel letter. This is not vowel. That is why A parrot. Okay. A parrot. So coming to the next page. Now all of you listen. Look at the next word. Who is this? This is a monkey. Isn't it? Monkey. What is the first letter of monkey? Is it a vowel letter? Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So monkey was first letter M. Is it a vowel? No. So an A or an? A monkey. A monkey. Look at the next one. Octopus. Which is the first letter? The first letter is O. Is it a vowel? Look here. A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowel sound. So, a octopus or an octopus? Yes, an octopus. An octopus. Look at the next one. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. What is the first letter? A. Is it a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Yes. So, a aeroplane or an aeroplane? An aeroplane. Okay. Look at the next one. Car. First letter C. So, a car or an car? A car. A car. Okay, clear? Do the exercises with me. All of you take your textbook. And are you writing with me? Okay, okay, good children. Then the next one is fill in the blanks with a or an. Look at the first one. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash eagle. Look at the first letter. Vowel. So what do we want to write? An eagle. Right? Okay, the next one. Banana. First letter B. Is it a vowel sound? No. So, a banana. Look at the next one. Pen. Is it a vowel sound? No. So, a or an? A pen. Okay, the next one. Ox. Is it a vowel sound? The first letter? Yes. So, an ox. An ox. Look at the next one. Onion. What is the spelling? O-N-I-O-N. What about the first letter? O. Is it a vowel word? Vowel letter? Yes. So, an onion. Next one. Tree. What about tree? A tree or an tree? A. Because the first letter T is not a vowel. Then look at the next one. Ball. A ball or an ball? A ball. Last one. Eraser. Which is the first letter? This is a vowel. So, we want to write an eraser. Okay. And look at the next one. Complete the sentences with a or an. Same thing. Dash dog is barking on the street. Dog. First letter. Is it a vowel? No. So, a dog is barking on the street. Look at the next one. Seth eats dash apple every day. First letter A. An apple or a apple? Yes. An apple. Why? A is a vowel sound. So, have you all written? Shall we go on to the next page? Okay, look at the next one. There is dash cat under the table. A or an? There is a cat under the table. Why? Is it a vowel sound? No. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Riya saw dash owl flying in the sky. What is the first letter? O. Is it a vowel? Yes. So, Riya saw an owl flying in the sky. Next one. I want to eat dash ice cream. A ice cream or an ice cream? First letter I. So, an ice cream. Okay, finish writing. So, what did we study today? All of you listen. A and an are used to talk about one person, one animal, one thing or one place. Okay. An is used before naming words beginning with A, E, I or U. For example, an elephant, an insect, etc. A is used before the naming words beginning with the rest of the letters in the English alphabet. For example, a kite, a flower, etc. So, an is used before vowel sound. Word starts with this A, E, I, O or U. All other words starting with the other letters, we have to use A. Okay. So, all of you do the exercises in grammar textbook lesson 6. Okay, thank you.